If you have just started using GoHighLevel, the dashboard can feel a little overwhelming at first. There are so many features, buttons, and menus, it's easy to get lost. In this video, I will give you a complete walkthrough of the GoHighLevel dashboard and explain everything in simple terms, so you can start using it confidently. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel to get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so you can check the link and grab all of this offer. Now let's get back to the video. Now once you are inside of your GoHighLevel account in the dashboard, it gives you an overview of your entire account. So here you can see your main stats like total lead, the opportunities, the appointments, and the revenue also. This is a quick snapshot of how your business is doing and where your attention is needed most. Now on the left side panel here you can see the opportunities, contact, calendar, the conversation, payment, the automation, the sites, the membership, and this kind of main section here. Now let's go through each of these. So let's move on these opportunities first. Here your sales pipeline is live. Now you can see all of your lead, their current stage, and you can move them alongside by dragging and dropping here. It's perfect for staying organized and knowing exactly what to focus on every day. Now next, let's move on this contact. Basically, contacts is your CRM. Every lead, client, or prospect is stored here with their full information, phone number, email, note, and the past interaction. You can even filter your contact based on the tag, timeline, and this kind of thing. Now next thing is the marketing. Marketing is the place where you manage your funnel, where you manage your email, where you manage your affiliate manager, or in the email section you can find the email campaign. So all of these features just keeps everything in one place, and also this is the place where you will find the templates to create your email campaign. Now let's move to the automation. Automation is one of the most powerful parts of GoHighLevel. This is where you create workflows to automatically follow up with leads via email, SMS, or phone calls. You can schedule sequences, the reminders, or even trigger specific action based on lead behavior. Automation is key to saving time and staying consistent. And obviously we have here the calendars, so just head over this. The calendars help you to manage appointments and bookings. Connect your calendar. It allows the clients to schedule meeting directly, and GoHighLevel will automatically send confirmations and reminders. So no more just back and forth email. Finally, we have the reports here. In the report section, you can see for the custom report, GoHighLevel, Facebook, the Meta, and call report, agent report, all of the report you can see here. And obviously you can just show the insights on your lead, funnel, email, and overall business performance, and this will help you to see what's working and where you can improve. In short, GoHighLevel dashboard is designed to give you full control over your business from one place. Once you understand where everything is and how to use it, you can manage leads, automate the task, you can track the results, and grow your business much easier. And if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, then you can obviously use the link from the description to get the all of the offer. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.